Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about Mxss.xyz pop-up windows. These pop-ups basically present some faulty information. For instance, it says that Flash SD app required to proceed, or there may be some pop-ups that mention that it's important to enable HD streaming or to perform some other update of your Google Chrome. But in all these cases, it is strongly advised that you do not interact with these pop-ups and do not install anything that they suggest. If you actually click on the offer, you will be told about some WSIP browser extension. Even though it is available on Chrome Web Store, it doesn't mean that the extension is safe. The authors of this extension suggest that you add it to Google Chrome. However, it also says that this extension configures your default search to smash search. Now, if you install it, your default search engine will be obviously hijacked. I have done that on purpose simply to show you what happens. So let's say you look for some particular information, and you notice that after you submit it through Google, the results are delivered not by Google search anymore, but by some weird nvo1d.xyz website. It's also known as search.gg custom search. So be careful not to trust these pop-ups Mxss.xyz, and in fact, in case your browser got hijacked, watch carefully my explanation of how to fix it. So go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and Extensions. You may find some of these malicious extensions. You need to remove them or disable them. After this is done, your browser will be restored back to the initial values. However, I also recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may download through the website combocleaner.com. Download it through this website with the help of this download button, and afterwards start the program from your launchpad. This is the way the software looks like. It's actually a premium version in my case. I recommend that you click on Start Combo Scan button and wait until the scanning is completed. Combo Cleaner has got two versions, the trial one and the premium one. The trial one comes with the disk cleaner function that is free. However, the antivirus feature is the part of the premium version only. So at the end of scan, you will see a detailed report about all threads that were found by Combo Cleaner during its scanning. You may click on Review Results, and you will find the exact location where the thread currently dwells on your Mac. So you may access this particular location and remove the thread manually, or you may do it automatically, however, only with the premium version of the software. Thanks for watching.